garden family, it's time to get this area cleaned up because it's time to plant something else here. All right, this is your before, and if you can remember, that 16 candles mullein was as tall as that one. I have cut it down to that and put it in my compost, so we are going to till up the rest of this with my little hand tiller. So I gave myself 40 minutes to get it done. These are the tools that I used. Let me turn this timer off. So I still have some more that I'm hand pulling out. You can see right here where I have a break in my lamb's ear. So what I'm going to do is I am going to split some of the lamb's ear and place it there so that the whole border has lamb's ear in it. But this is what I took out of there. So if I have a chance before it rains today, I will be taking the lawnmower and running over this and then putting it into my compost pile. But this is what we are working with now. And again, I am going to hand pull a bit more of these out. I am trimming up this Paul Robeson, and I'm going to let it continue. So I didn't really do anything over there with the hand tiller. I've just been pulling with my hands. And then this one is a German Giant. I'm going to let it keep going, and we are going to go from there. All right, guys, and just like that, I took the lawnmower and cleaned up the mess. This is what the bed is looking like right now. Whew, y'all, it's hot. I went ahead and pulled some of the lamb's ear and lined that area right there. I'm going to add a little fertilizer to this bed, and it will be ready for planting as soon as I get the mini pine bark nuggets. All right, guys, as always, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food. We'll see you the next time.